Hello everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to pin messages on Telegram desktop. Pinning a message is useful when you want to keep an important message at the top of a chat, group, or channel, so it is easy to find later. First, open Telegram desktop on your computer and open the chat, group, or channel where the message is located. Find the message that you want to pin. Now right-click on that message. A menu will appear on the screen. Click on the Pin option. Telegram may show a confirmation window asking if you want to pin the message. Click Pin to confirm. After that, the message will appear at the top of the conversation as a pinned message. Anyone with access to that chat can quickly open the pinned message from the top section. This is especially helpful for important announcements, meeting links, addresses, instructions, or messages that you need to access frequently. If another message is pinned later, it can replace the current pinned message depending on the chat settings. You can also click the pinned message at the top to jump directly to that message in the conversation. That's how you can pin messages on Telegram desktop. It's a simple but very useful feature for keeping important information easy to access. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Telegram desktop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.